In this problem, I'm going to talk about produce business a little bit in the city of Salinas, California. It's an agricultural city or ag city. So Mr. Harden invests $200,000 into growing lettuce and strawberry. Return on lettuce is 15% and return on strawberry is 25%. His yearly return on produce investment was $36,500. Now the question is how much he invested in each category, meaning how much he invested in lettuce and how much he invested in strawberry. So let's create a diagram here. So this is the lettuce investment, this is the strawberry investment. So let's say Mr. Harden invested X dollars in lettuce and Y dollars in strawberry. So it must be the case X plus Y is his total investment, which is $200,000. Now then he gets some investment return. So he gets some investment return. Let's say this is my investment return IR. And how much is it? 36,500. 36,500. How much investment return he gets from lettuce? Lettuce gives 15% return, so it's going to be 15% of whatever he invested, which is X, so it's 0.515 times X, so 0.15 times X. So it's 0.15 times X. This X is not showing up properly, so let's just do it again, 0.15 times X. Then plus the investment return from strawberry, which is 25% or 0.25 times Y. So 0.25 times Y. So now my second equation is going to be 0.15 times X plus 0.25 times Y. And that must be, by the way, equal to 36,500. 36,500. Now I have two equations with two unknowns I can solve for, X and Y. So I'm just going to use the substitution method, solve for X in the first equation. If I do that, by the way, from the first equation I get, by subtracting Y from both sides, I get X is equal to 200,000 minus Y. Now I take this X value and plug it into the second equation. So I will have the following. So now I'm going to use distributive property. 0.15 times 200,000 is, by the way, 30,000 minus 0.15 times negative Y is negative 0.15 Y plus 0.25 Y is equal to 36,500. Now I can combine the terms and subtract. So I'm going to have 30,000 plus 0.10y. Negative 0.15y plus 0.25 is 0.10y. 0.25y is 0.10y is equal to 36,500. Now I'm going to subtract 30,000 from both sides. Subtract 30,000. If I did that, I get the following. Left hand side, this cancel out. On the right hand side, 0.10, on the left hand side 0.10y is equal to, on the right hand side, 36,500 minus 30,000 is going to be 6,500. Now to solve for y, I divide both sides by 0.10, divide both sides by 0.10. That gives me y on the left hand side, because this and this cancel out, is going to be this number divided by 0.10, or I could simplify it further. 6,500 divided by 0.10 is 10 over 100, or 1 over 10. 10% is 1/10. If I simplify it, it's going to be 6,500 times 10, which, by the way, is 65,000. So the investment on strawberry was 65,000. So Y is equal to 65,000 or 65K. Now easily we can find the X, which from this equation x plus y is 200,000. Now x is equal to 200,000 minus y, which is 200,000. I subtract y from both sides just to let you know. 200,000 minus 65,000. That's going to give me x is equal to 135,000. So x is equal to 135k. So investment in lettuce was 135k. Investment in strawberry was 65,000k. And you can plug in these numbers into these equations and you will see left side equals to right side. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.